Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove chat plagiarism. So if you're writing an essay, a short word document or whatever and you don't want the other person to know that you used ChatGPT to write the content for you, here's what you can do. So first, let's say you have a text. Let's take this text and then you want to go to any website that has AI content detector, and I choose writer.com. So as you can see, I pasted the entire text. And if I click analyze, already analyzed it, but it tells you that there's 82% chance that this text was actually written by an AI. So the next thing what you want to do is go to the website called plagiarism-remover.com and then take the text that the AI wrote, paste it here. You can use normal mode, complete the cache, and then click remove plagiarism and then wait. And there we have it. Our unique contents is here. We can just click copy text, go to the same website, type in the text, analyze it. And as you can see, now there's 11% chance that this text was written by an AI. Going from 82 to 11 is pretty amazing. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.